Do you need to sell your Mesquite house fast? You've come to the right place. We buy houses in any condition and can close quickly, so you can get paid and move on. Are you behind on payments, dealing with a divorce, job transfer, a fixer-upper, or have a bad tenant? These are common problems that can happen to anyone. We eliminate all the hassles of the traditional home sales process. By selling to us, you won't have to do any repairs or updates, you won't have to list with an agent, and wait month after month for it to sell, or hold open houses with people trancing through your house. Plus, you probably won't pay any out-of-pocket expenses. That's right, you pay no fees, commissions, or costs whatsoever. You can even close on the date of your choice. This makes selling your house so easy and simple. All you have to do is show up to pick up your funds, or we'll overnight you a check. We'll give you a free no obligation cash offer within minutes. If you're ready to sell your house today, give us a call and get your money fast. Look below this video to call us or fill out the form on our website. Below this video, you'll find our phone number. We'd love to talk to you. If you'd like to learn more, visit our website, which is right below this video and has a handy form for more information. We'd love to help you with your Mesquite House challenge. Give a call below.